Are high energy rates cutting into your crypto mining profits? Introducing Terra Hosting, your solution for first-class, hassle-free crypto mining. At Terra Hosting, we specialize in hosting services tailored for GPUs, ASICs, and AI machine learning. Say goodbye to skyrocketing electricity bills and noisy, heat-producing hardware. Our unique service offering combines low electric rates with a community blockchain-oriented data center, while ensuring your equipment stays safe and secure. With Terra Hosting, you simply set it and forget it. Contact us today to learn more and get answers to all your questions. Terra Hosting. Trust as a service.
Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're all doing well, having a really great day. Some of you may have noticed that for those that are Bitcoin mining specifically, that you may have been earning a little bit more Bitcoin. And that is due to the blockchain space for Bitcoin being really congested right now. And there is a lot of movement. And a lot of people are paying a little bit above average on their transaction fees. And I can actually show you that through this website here called txstreet.com. Pretty awesome website here. But you can see the medium transaction fee is around $2.58. About an hour or two, or maybe during the day before recording this video, is maybe more so like $4 or $5 medium. And so, yeah, it's definitely more than Ethereum, as you can see here, which is around $1.18. So that is due to also because Bitcoin's price has been surging more so the past, couple days here. And I would have to say as well with ordinals being having a lot of volume as well, potentially. Okay, I just saw on Twitter, Ordinals wallet, they said here, breaking news, Ordinals total volume reaches 10 million for the first time since May 2023. This was posted November 7th, 2023. So this pretty much coincides with the looking at the block explorer here on blockchain.com that the transaction fees are almost a Bitcoin. Some of them are over a Bitcoin. Okay. And so along with the rewards for Bitcoin normally being 6.25 per block, now that is also including the transaction fees. Okay. So averaging, if I go to what to mine here for those that are Bitcoin mining, you can see the block reward now is around 7.14. Okay, averaging at currently. This could change, okay, as the blockchain space starts not filling up like this. As you can see, all these little South Park characters. I found this to be pretty funny. But yeah, it's really congested right now, and that's why the transaction fees are a lot higher. And so you can see that correlates with here. And so, it's good for Bitcoin miners, right? Obviously, this is not going to happen every day unless for some unseen reason that maybe we have a lot of volatility with Bitcoin constantly. And I don't know, Ordinal starts to take off or already is taking off or something. And there's always going to be a lot of transaction fees for miners to mine and get that extra reward. And so I guess the daily issuance right now for Bitcoin right now is around, if I think mining pool stats.stream, if it's updated here, is about $30.2 million a day. All right, that's being divided towards all the miners that are mining. Okay, so I was just reading a couple tweets here. Okay, so there's one from Block Voyager. I was just searching up some tweets here, but he says Bitcoin surge price has driven up demand on Bitcoin network, resulting in transaction fees higher than a Big Mac. On average, users pay $6.08 per transaction and $20,131 per block, while miners collect a whopping $34.16 million in rewards. The last time the fees matched with Big Mac prices were on June 7th. Big Mac costs can gouge Bitcoin network accessibility, potentially impacting BTC spot market demand. That was posted the morning before I was recording this video. So yeah, it's not $6.08 anymore. Sorry, so that's what it was in the morning. And now I'm recording this at night, and now it's hovering around $2.61. So throughout the day, you've probably been seeing that, yeah, you have been maybe earning a little bit more. Some people say if you're mining on NiceHash and such, but depending on which pool you were mining on and which fees or how much fees were in that block. Okay, you guys can see here for each block, then, AMP pool got that 1.15 BTC. Or if we, look at some other pools here, Binance pool, 1.01 BTC in the transaction fee there. F2 pool, 0.92. So you can see it differs here, right? Every around averaging 10 minutes per Bitcoin block that these fees are then distributed, right, to the miners. Okay, so I thought that would be something pretty interesting for some of you that are invested into Bitcoin mining, and you may have seen a big spike recently and maybe have gotten in on that little bit of extra reward. Okay, but it may not last long. Okay, but maybe by the time you watch this video, it's not going to last. But hey, I think once there's more volatility in the space, then you're probably going to see potentially a lot more transaction fees. And I think that's where ordinals comes into play here. I have not gotten into ordinals. Sorry if I butchered the word or name. Ordinals, I'm not if I pronounced that right. Basically, like a transcription or a message tied to the block. I'm not sure why anyone would be into this, but hey, why not? I haven't gotten into this myself. Could be something interesting. But yeah, anyways, let me know if you guys have noticed that jump up. But for instance, okay, at a current block reward of 7.14, and if we input a, typical S19K Pro, 120 terahash, 2800 watts, around 8 cent kilowatt hour, hit calculate, that thing is making about $4.04 a day. Okay, profit. If you had free electric, it would be $9.42. But of course, if we go up in cost per kilowatt hour, then that's going to look like breaking even. Okay, even with this increased block reward. Oh, it looks like it just went down 6.91. So as of recording, looks like it's going down now. So, but one thing I want to finalize here in this video is for anyone that is ASIC mining or Bitcoin mining in general. Some of you guys may have seen the live stream that I just did the day before. I did an unboxing of the new WhatsMiner M60S. Thank you to Crypto Miner Bros for them sending this to me. A pretty nice machine here. It's one of the new from WhatsMiner, their latest version that pretty much goes head to head against the Bitmain S21. And just a quick, I guess, overview of the video that I did unboxing. We did the normal hash rate testing, and yeah, it's able to get. Okay, normal mode, 192. Mine was 192 terahash at 3490 watts, 3495 watts at the wall. So that was about 18.2 joules per terahash or watt per hash here. Okay, and then if we did, I did the high power mode next. There's 3 different power modes. Okay, and I have it highlighted here. These 3 here. The high power mode, I was doing 200 terahash, but at 3717 watts. Okay, that was about an 18.5 joules per terahash, watt per hash, right? Which is pretty good. All right, so now if we compare to the Bitmain S21, this is a 200 terahash model, 3550 watts. Honestly, to be honest, I feel like the Bitmain S21 is going to be a little bit more than that, depending on your environment. So, but the roughly they advertise here 17.75 watt per hash. But my low power mode on the WhatsMiner M60S was getting 175 terahash, but at 3105 watts. So I thought that was pretty cool. And efficiency at 17.74. So that pretty much is able to go head to head against the Bitmain S21 in terms of efficiency, which is pretty cool. And these WhatsMiners are available now on Crypto Miner Bros for those that are wondering. For those that are interested, link down below. Helps out the channel if you do decide to buy one. But looking at, if you're deciding to buy the Bitmain S21, whether or not these are going to be reliable or not, we're just not sure. The WhatsMiner that I received yesterday as of recording is built like a tank, but you can see the size difference here between an S19, right? The WhatsMiner actually has a 140 mil fan versus the 120 mil fans on the S19. So yeah, this thing is, these WhatsMiners are really nice in my opinion against the, Bitmain models. So I hope the S21 won't be a big flop, but WhatsMiner seems to have a really good track record when it comes to reliability and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, guys, that's all I want to talk about in this video. Let me know your thoughts regarding if you noticed a big jump in profit for Bitcoin mining. And let me know your thoughts about my M60S that we just reviewed. And if you are thinking about getting into these that are available now versus the Bitmain S21. I'm going to have more videos talking about these, and let me know your guys' thoughts. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Peace out.